Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to separate an egg. Cue the music. Alright, thanks again for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, so the reason you want to separate an egg, the recipe will tell you that you need the egg whites or the egg yolk. Whites tend to add more volume to, like, say, cakes. You can use the whites to make meringue, and then you use the yolks to add more richness and creaminess and to thicken things in an ingredient in a recipe. So you need to learn how to separate the egg, and if you don't know how to do this, there are a lot of hacks out there as well, but I'm just going to show you the old school way of doing it, and that is to just kind of crack it all the way around the best you can so you get an even shell. And that's okay if your whites are slipping out of there, and you just want to take the little ball of yolk and you just want to bounce it back and forth into the two shells here until most of the white is into the other bowl. Put that yolk right in there. It's alright that it breaks. There we have it. You got your white separated out and you got your yolk separated out, and you can use these for two different applications in the process of whatever the recipe wants you to do. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.